Welcome back to our channel, and you're looking at galvanized steel raised bed for the garden, and this is a DIY. You got to get the kit from the Amazon. I just got it from the Amazon, and it is easy to build, and all the tools, the necessary tools are already given with the kit, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to construct this, and it is a very easy and quick process to construct this. And thank you for watching the video. Please watch the video till the end, and please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.